my love, so we're gonna get right into it. I'm super excited because I'm gonna be sharing you guys all drugstore back to school makeup tutorials. So it's gonna be a very quick tutorial just because I legit barely wore anything to school, you guys, but I'm gonna give you my best tips that I can for like easy, quick, out the door looks, because let's be honest, not many of us have that time to be spending so much time on our makeup in the morning. I definitely don't like to pile up my face in the morning right away of makeup, but if you're into that, you still get a kick out of this video, so keep watching please. So the first thing, definitely what I like to do is my brows, and this is one of the major things that I really focus on, my brows and my face. That's basically it, you guys. So I would just brush them upwards. One of the things that I highly recommend is to get a pencil, because pencils are super quick, and you can also carry them in your purse. Super easy. This is one of the Morphe Micro brow pencils. It has a spoolie and the product on the other end. The spoolie, I really like it because I like to brush my hair upwards, and it has some density. I won't do too much. I would do it just quickly through my brows, and I basically just run it through my spare, the areas that are more spare, basically, like I don't have a lot of hair. So again, I'm going to show you exactly what I would do. So I will leave my brows like this for now, and then when I go in with a foundation, I'll clean it up a little bit. Forgot I do not use concealer when I go to school. I do use primer as well. One of the things that I will use is an illuminating primer, something that will glow, just so I don't have to go in with a highlight. I mean, again, you're going to school, you don't have to really do too much, but this is just my preference, and like I really try to eliminate as much as possible. And I'm just going to blend this in quickly. Usually I would do this with my hands, of course, when you're in a rush in the morning, like you don't have time for anything. So, and quickly with a brush, I will use a lightweight foundation. This is a hydrating foundation for normal to dry skin. It's a 24-hour foundation, something that will last me all day long. This is a medium coverage foundation as well, because I like to cover my high pigmentation and things like that. And I also like to use this foundation to cover up my underneath my eyes. Cut as much step as possible. So I like to use a brush just because it's quicker to distribute to your entire face. And again, this I will apply it even under my eyes just because of the nice coverage that it has. I don't need concealer for this with this foundation, so I will just apply that super quickly with a brush, because again, the brush is that gives me like the best coverage easily. And then I'll distribute the rest, whatever is rest onto my forehead. So with whatever is rest on my hand, I like to just go over that onto my under eye quickly, like this one. I'll apply it onto the eyes as well. Again, not too much. We're just covering up slightly bit, just to look a little bit more decent, of course. Again, I would just take a little bit of that foundation as well and just rub it right under my brow, just to make them look a little bit more nice. And in case you have really bad eyelids, you can also go ahead and apply a little bit of foundation on there just to cover up any redness you might have. I do like to use some powder underneath my eye just to make sure nothing like I get shiny throughout the day. So I like to use this one, the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. I'm just going to use a little tiny bit, and again, I'm just only going to apply this on the areas that I feel like I needed the most, like on my T-zone area, just so I don't get shiny throughout the day. And I would just do this super quickly, you guys, nothing gentle, because again, we're just going to school. Again, you guys, I do not focus on my eyes at all. I just like to use a mascara that lengthens my lashes, and that's about it. I don't even apply false lashes. I don't think I will ever, not even in college and not even in high school. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this one, Peacock Flare Waterproof Mascara by Covergirl. Oh shit, I also forgot to mention, you guys, that I do curl them before I apply mascara. I completely forgot how to do that because my lashes are like straightforward. Kind of hate that, but it is what it is. So for lipstick, you guys, I like to stick with a lip liner. I do not wear lipsticks just because I don't have that time to be reapplying things in case they like disappear or dry out my mouth. I like to just keep it simple and nice with a lip liner, just to overline my lip a little tiny bit. Let's do that. And then I just like to take my fingers and I kind of blend it into the lip like that. And they look so natural, you guys. I freaking love this lip liner. It's so pretty. It makes my lip looks like they're mine. But yeah, I keep it so simple, you guys. For my hair, I just like to keep it super simple. I do a sleek pony and maybe braid it down like this. But I don't know how I miss this hair. Like, I don't know how. Anything to get those extra 5 minutes on the bed, right? Definitely let me know in the comments down below what you guys do to your face before school. If you go to school, if you're still in school, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to talk to you. I would love to know. But without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this super affordable / drugstore. Until next time, I'll see you.